Here are the cabinets with drawers containing small parts used to repair medical devices. You'll get everything to the right of my hand. So these, this, and this, as well as these down here. These are old, and the drawers don't really open very smoothly. I got pictures of the contents. These contain little, whatever these are, used to repair medical devices around the hospital. A bunch of these drawers just contain small screws, but a lot of them are empty. Screws and nuts and things like that. It's impossible to photo every drawer, but there are tons of just little parts. A lot of these are empty. You might take a look, come over and take a look if you want to see exactly what's in here, but it would take a billion years to catalog all these things, and I don't know what these things are called anyway. But you'll get the cabinets, which are bolted to the wall, as well as the contents. Little stuff. There's like little like resistors or something like that. But it's every part you'd ever need to repair medical devices in this hospital. The hospital closed April 15th. But you'll get that, and all that. The other stuff in this room will be sold separately.